The police have identified 2 people in the Mandeville mob killing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Superintendent Light Darby, head of the Manchester Police, said that 2 people have been identified on the National Closed Circuit Television System CCTV Surveillance System Jamaica Eye in last Friday's mob killing of a 62-year-old man, Mr. Campbell. Mr. Campbell, who was described as a well-respected citizen and dedicated community member of Victoria Town in southern Manchester, died after a crowd of people beat him on Lower Manchester Road days before his wedding, which was slated to be held on Thursday. According to the police from the Jamaica Eye footage, 2 people were identified as to have taken part in the beating, and they are being sought by the police. There is an enhancement of the footage on the way, which will expect to identify more people who took part in the incident, added the police. The police have reiterated their appeal for people who witnessed the incident and videotape it to come forward. The police are appealing to members of the public whosoever captured videos of the incident is being asked to come forward and provide a statement to the police, as the footage are useless without anyone not claiming them. It is reported that the day in question, the man was in the town of Mandeville conducting business when he was attacked by a mob. It is further reported that he was accused of being a thief. However, it turned out to be a case of mistaken identity. His death sparked protests in southern Manchester on Saturday as residents used debris and downed trees to block section of the roadway leading into the community. Residents said that the father of 3 had just left his common-law wife in a nail salon when the mob attacked him. The Mandeville police are continuing their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.